Good evening friends, this is my third video. Today we will discuss about the updates done by the government or other private organizations in terms of corona. So kindly get into the video. The first point is MedBot. Uh, it is a remote controlled medical trolley developed by Indian Railway for helping deliver food and medicines to COVID-19 patients. So this is an important point which can be asked in the examination. And the next is a program that is Check Deco. It is a decontaminate sanitizer, such as it is used to sanitize the N95 mask, and it was developed by IIT Delhi. And the next one is a campaign that is My Family My Responsibility campaign. This was launched by Maharashtra government. And the next is Tata CRI SBI CRISPR. It is the world's first diagnostic test to develop a specially adapted Cas9 protein to successfully detect virus causing COVID-19. In terms of science and technology, it is an important point, and it is the world first diagnostics test which was developed by Tata. So it's very important. And the next one is PM Garib Kalyan package insurance scheme. This was launched by our government by Sri Narendra Modi ji. It covers an insurance of rupees 50 lakhs to only those professionals who are working in healthcare sector, and the two to the COVID-19 ward only. So, and the other point is it was first extended for 90 days, and again it was extended for 180 days. So, and the next, let's go into the international news about this thing. That is UNICEF. You know about the UNICEF, right? And it will be leading the procurement and supply of coronavirus vaccine, as it is having a lot of already available structure for distribution and procurement. It has taken the responsibility of distribution of the vaccine, so it became the world's largest and the fastest distributor. And the next is Italy's Fiumicino International Airport. This was the first port in world to be certified with COVID-19 a 5-star airport rating. So it was given by an American rating agency, review rating agency. It has given it a 5-star rating. So it may be useful, but not to at that point. So you have to remember these are green grids. This was developed by Reliance Life Sciences, which uses RT-PCR test same, but it gives the result within 2 hours. Whereas the remaining normal RT-PCR test, it takes about 8 hours to give the result, but this can be done very easily and in a very fast manner. And next is iMediX. iMediX to help patients receive assistance from doctors without physical visit. You know about the fairness of the COVID. So IIT Kharagpur developed this program where you can sitting in your home can directly talk with the doctors. And next is Cured, CURED, that is CSIR issued repurposed drugs. It gives info about the numerous COVID-19 clinical trials. So you will come to know whether any vaccine was produced and what is the percentage, what a successfulness about this, all the different kinds of drugs. It was launched by Harshvardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Then next is CoviRap. It is a diagnostic machine evolved by IIT Kharagpur, and it is validated by ICMR recently. It was not invented, but it was evolved by IIT Kharagpur. So please keep that in mind. It was mentioned in news, so maybe it is a little important. Next is All India CSR campaign against COVID-19. This was launched by PNB, Punjab National Bank. This is very important in terms of RBI Grade B examination, as it covers banking sector and also the medical sector with COVID-19. So better look for it. And next is in news it was mentioned about Russia's vaccination program, that is Epic Vac Corona. That is a 2-shot vaccine which we have to take within 21 days. It was mentioned as the second recommended and what we say recognized vaccination in Russia. The first one is Sputnik V. So please remember this one in terms of international news. Next is no mask, no service policy to fight COVID-19. This was introduced in Bangladesh to make stricter countermeasures among the people and to pressurize and to weightage them what is the amount of what we say what is the amount of seriousness about this. So next is in the month of November we came to know that IIT Madras has developed a COVID game. As you know that children don't have that much interest to see the news or be aware about this COVID-19. So they have what we say they have introduced a COVID game. So that will bring awareness among the children. Next is Plastic Lao Mask Le Jao. This is initiative of Uttarakhand's Dehradun Municipal Corporation. What they have done is they wanted to stop the menace of plastic, and in the same way they want to control the spread of corona. So they in a two-step scenario they have started this program. And the next is first in Northeast to provide insurance cover against COVID-19 for green soldiers. This was done by Tiger Reserve (PTR) in Arunachal Pradesh. This is very important point. Kindly remember it. It can be asked where is this Tiger Reserve located. And next is Tata MD check. This is a novel diagnostic testing for COVID-19, world's first CRISPR-Cas9 based diagnostic tool powered by Feluda. CRISPR is clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. So this is the novel diagnostic kit, and this is the first CRISPR-Cas9 protein based. So remember this one. Next is Jeevan Seva app that was developed by Delhi government, which gives the timely transportation of COVID-19 patient. The next is international news in the month of November. It is UN plus vaccine confidence project of University of London. They have launched a Team Halo. The Team Halo, what is the work of this timer and what is the purpose is to tackle misinformation on safety and effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccine. So you have to remember the two organization names rather than Team Halo. You can easily remember Team Halo, that is the UN plus Vaccine Confidence Project of University of London. You have to remember these both names, they can ask in MCQs. And the next one is CoWIN. This is a grand challenge for strengthening COVID vaccine intelligence network. System. It is a diagnostic platform to roll out and scale up mechanism for COVID-19 vaccine distribution. COVID is related to COVID-19 vaccine distribution. You just remember it, it's more than enough. Next is Mera COVID Kendra app to locate free COVID-19 test centers. Okay, for the location of the test centers, and it was launched by UP CM Sri Yogi Adityanath ji. And the next point, international point, is go for zero policy, which is the first country to introduce go for zero policy, that is Australia. By doing this they are tightening the spread of this corona vaccine. This is one of the control measure for them. And the next one is UK is the first country to roll out COVID-19 vaccine. This was developed by Pfizer plus BioNTech. Okay, please remember this one, it will be very important point. And the last point is WHO COVID-19 updates. So related to COVID-19, WHO has launched an app that is WHO COVID-19 updates, where you can get to see the total information. So this is about the corona pandemic and the important points which can be asked in the examination. Kindly go through it. Thanking you.